Hi, it's Kim Morrison from Be Your Own Graphic Designer, and today's quick tip is how to use the backgrounds in Canva. Here I have a standard size social media post to create my design, and I'm just going to click on background, and you can see there are loads of free backgrounds here, all different colours, and that makes you think that you might not be able to change them, but the brilliant thing about these is that you can change them to whatever colour you want. And these are the ones down here that you have to pay for. Let's go back up to the free ones and have a play. This one's quite fun. This is a city one. And you can see here that the colour is grey. Now if I click down on this, because I have Canva for work, I have my brand colours actually listed up here. So all I have to do is click on my brand colour and I instantly have a bluish tinged image. Or pink, or a yellowy colour, or a pale yellow, green, or a pale lilac. And it's that simple to do. It's really easy. And it works for all the images. So let's go back to background again. I don't know whether you've seen these very quick undo and redo buttons. I'm just going to undo all this and see how easy this is to do as well. And let's find another one. This one's probably not so obvious in terms of being able to change it. So I'm just going to go to this one. A nice beach scene. I'm going to change this more to just my branding blue. You can see it doesn't all change, but it just gives it that tint, which actually brings it much more closer to your own branding. Or you can go intensely blue. It's just to give you ideas of what you can do with these, and to show you how easy it is to change. These ones, which obviously have backgrounds on, are quite fun. This one's got cherries in the background. You can change the main colour. So instantly, that's identifiable with your branding colour, which is great. So this is why you don't see the same design in lots of different colours, because you can change them so easily yourself. I'm not quite sure what this is going to be. We could make it a pinky colour or red, which would be quite nice. Yeah, so that's now a nice orangey red colour. But it's so easy because then you can just create, you can add a box on it, and just create your own wording, and you've instantly got a meme that you can post on social media. This one you wouldn't think you'd be able to change. I just had a play with this earlier, and this grey background gives you a nice blue sky background, which looks quite fun, or an even darker blue. So that was all I was going to show you today. I just thought it was really useful to know that you can go into a huge range of backgrounds and just change the colours so easily to suit your branding. I hope that helps, and I'll record another tip soon.